Yes, sir. Welcome. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Almost lost control. Oh my god, that was crazy. Woo. Yes, sir. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Long Fee Win. I hope you guys are staying motivated out there. I hope you are pursuing your dreams, and I hope you staying consistent. Persistence equals perfection. Let me pull over real fast, do a little walk around. I just love this area right here with the trees. A lot of trees overhead. Really like the vibe here. I do like a little intro video right here. Let's see. Nice. Do a little intro video real quick. Just real quick. Alright, here we go. This is a Kawasaki Ninja Ace 2. Fantastic bike. I love it so much. This is one of my very first hyper bike, actually. Look at the front of that thing. Whew. Look at that air intake right there. This is where the air gets ramped in. Travel down to the intake, right into the supercharge. Man, this thing is clean. Amazing machine. This is what happens when you stay consistent in life, guys. You stay consistent, you manifest your dreams. Just like how I manifest my dream bike. You can do it. You can do it too. All you have to do is just keep grinding and work smarter, not harder. Find something that you can do, that you can make more money doing less time. Spending less time on your job, more on yourself. And when you find that one thing, make sure you stay consistent, you know, and just keep doing it. And in the beginning it might seem a little rocky, but you realize that if you keep doing it, woo, eventually you get it. Let's go. Yeah, baby. This is my favorite road right here. Oh my god. Jesus. Jeez. This thing is fast. Man, it's incredibly fast. Woo! My goodness. Man, that pull is unbelievable. Well, it is believable because I actually witnessed it and felt it. So, man, whew. And the power is constant power. I did not feel any like lag. It was just a full-on fast acceleration. That was like my first time full throttling it. Actually, I don't usually full throttle this motorcycle because it's so fast, but I usually go like 75% or something like that. Look at the whole front wants to lift up. Jesus. Woo! Oh my God, let's go. Woo! Man, amazing. That felt amazing. Alright guys, make sure you are studying every aspect of your life and you are considering things from every angle. Study every aspect of your life and make sure you consider things from every single angle, every single little details. You know, you only got one life to live. You want to express yourself by studying everything around you and find out what's good for you and what is not. You know, find out your bad habits and find out you know, who's real friends and who's not, who's real friends and foe. Get yourself a nice bed, man. Get yourself a nice bed. Get yourself an intimate partner, somebody you can talk to, and you should be good. Woo! Man, I love this bike. It sounds so good. It rides so smooth. Woo! I love this thing. This is my baby. Baby, 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 baby. Baby, 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 baby. If you're just tuning into my channel, guys, if you're new to my channel, please leave a like, consider subscribing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. So we all know that practice makes perfect, but how often are you practicing? You know, make sure you are practicing often, because the more you practice, the more you get good. You become the person that you are by practicing. You don't just become that person. You become that person that you want to be by practicing and staying, you know, doing the same thing over and over again. And eventually you will become the person you want to be. For instance, if you want to be successful in a business, you go ahead and you execute and open your business, and then you start in. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I think I got enough content for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Smash that like and smash the subscribe button too. Stay motivated, guys.